Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. I'm so glad that you made it back. So today I'm going to bring you another polymer clay tutorial-ish. I say ish because I'm not like a clay professional or polymer clay artist or anything. I'm just kind of playing around and yeah. Anyways, so today I'm going to attempt to make a cane that's, I made one here, as you can see. And this one, I did use a tool to make this, and I wanted to try it without a tool, and I wanted to try a different type of cane. So yeah, I'm not really sure what colors I'm going to be using, but I'm definitely going to be using something from right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So what I decided to do is to make a cane that looks like leopard print. I have an idea of how to do it, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to execute it. So let's see how I go. So these are the colors that I decided on. Kind of like a pinky purple palette, and then I have here a translucent color. Yeah, translucent, just in case I want to make a different color. And I also have white, so we'll see. So I'm going to start with my darker color, and I'm not going to need a whole lot of this because I'm not going to make it very large. I'm just going to cut off another little piece there. So this clay is a little hard and crumbly. If you get clay like this, or maybe you've had it sitting around for a little while, it's not the end of the world, I promise. All I do is I really try to work it. I try to, oops. I try to put a lot of force on it. And the way I do that is I just use my acrylic roller, and I use it kind of like a more, what do you call those? Those things that you crush things up with when you're cooking? A mortar, I think? Mortar, I don't know. Anyways, that's what I do with it until it gets pretty soft. And another way you could do this is just to kind of sit on it, basically. Put it underneath your lap and let it warm up to your body temperature. And that works too. Because all you're doing is you're waking up those molecules in there and trying to get them to be a little looser, more elastic. Okay, so I'm gonna condition all of my clay and I will be right back. So this is what I decided to do. I'm gonna use this dark purple and this kind of pinky color, and I'm gonna also use this and white, and this one is called glitter purple, and it's from the Fimo effect, and this is just white in the Fimo soft. And I'm gonna mix this color and this color together so that way I get a nice, hopefully pastel-y type purple. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That much. Okay, so it looks like this purple is still a little crumbly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of this translucent liquid clay. And I'm gonna try not to use a whole lot of this because if you use too much, it might get a little too soft. So yeah, if you've had clay sitting around for a little while like I have, this is probably what you're gonna have to do to soften it up, kind of bring it back to life. Alternatively, you can use some mineral oil or baby oil, but make sure it has mineral oil in the baby oil. I think I have mineral oil here to kind of smooth out any fingerprints that I get on them, but that's about all I use it for. You can use it to soften up your clay. You just have to use a very, very small amount. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And there we go. Got that clay nice and soft again. I'm gonna work with this color, and I know that it was really crumbly as well. So hopefully I got it soft enough. Okay, so I have my 3 colors finally ready to go. And with this color, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of form a wedge or a triangle shape. It doesn't have to be real precise or real perfect. Okay, so there's my little wedge shape. And then with the darker color, I'm gonna make a nice snake. Okay, so we're gonna have that much. And now I'm just gonna go around and place them across the little angles here that we have on our wedge. Okay, so now we have something like this. And now I'm gonna go to my lighter color, and first of all, I'm gonna wipe off my hands with some alcohol. Because I know I got purple all over them. I'm gonna cut this here. Just like that. Let's see. Put that one right there. Do the rest of these here. All right, so here is the Polymer Clay Leopard Print cane. I think it came out so nice. I had a little bit of trouble with it because I kind of messed up a few times, and I had to start over. But other than that, it came out really super cute. I love it. And it didn't even take that much clay, surprisingly. I just grabbed a scrap piece of clay. This is some white clay that has a bunch of other clay mixed in. I don't know if you can tell. It is kind of crumbly too. So I'm just gonna kind of give you an idea of what you can do with these canes. I'm gonna work this piece of clay out a little bit and then I'll show you. Okay, so I just formed a rough ball here with my white clay. And I'm gonna take that piece that I cut off the end, and I'll probably cut off another piece as well. So I'm gonna do these kind of thin. They don't need to be super thick. And that should do it. Maybe one more. All right, there we go. And it doesn't matter if it hasn't rested because we are literally pasting this on our ball. All right, and we're done. All that's left to do is to bake my little egg leopard print pendant and put a hole in it and turn it into a necklace or something else. I don't know. Anyways, I love the way that this cane came out. I thought this was going to be super difficult, but it wound up being pretty easy. I usually avoid making canes because it seems like it takes forever and it seems like a lot of work. Like this one, what I did with this one was I used an extruder and put clay in there and made a bunch of tiny little clay snakes and aligned them up like this. And yeah, anyways, this was so much easier because I didn't need any tools. I just needed my hands. And yeah, I love it. So if you like videos like this, please hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.